Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. We are going to talk about selling inventory with Google Ad Manager. Google Ad Manager was created with the sole purpose of increasing revenue whenever people are watching videos online, playing games, or interacting on social media. Ad Manager, believe it or not, can assist you with your online business. Begin by taking charge of your inventories. How do you adjust your inventory to fit the objectives of the advertiser? You may use Ad Manager to adjust your inventory in a variety of ways to satisfy the demand for advertising that target a specific demographic. Key values. Use the coarsest gain key values, such as precise keywords, to give marketers with the exact audiences they want to contact. Audience interests. Tailor your inventory and categorize it based on your audience's interests via your website or apps. There are a variety of methods for determining their interests, including polls, social media involvement, Google Analytics, and more. You're on the correct track if you follow your audience's interests. Devices and web browsers make an inventory based on the device, browser, and operating system. You can also choose to speak in your browser's native language. This is critical if you want to reach out to a certain segment of the audience, such as people who speak French. There are no issues. Organize your inventory by region, country, city, postal code, and so on. You can even omit certain locations if there are any. One golden rule to remember is to think globally. Advertise locally. Delivery details. Check the advertisements that were delivered on your website using Ad Manager's delivery tools. Then change the delivery speed, frequency, and other factors to maximize the ROI. How to sell inventory on Ad Manager in a hurry. Ad Manager has the ability to help you make the most of your inventory by allowing you to sell it in a variety of ways. Direct marketing. Negotiating directly with high-value advertisers like sponsorships or full-page takeovers might be beneficial. You can also build valuable share of voice advertising, which gives sponsors a percentage of your site's page views. Number 2, guaranteed by Programmatic. Programmatic elements in Ad Manager enable for automatic inventory negotiation and sales. This streamlines the process while also lowering the risk of human error. Guaranteed campaigns allow you and the buyer to agree on a price and terms for premium inventory, guaranteeing that your best inventory is reserved for your most valuable advertisers. Number 3, bidding exchanges. The aim of exchange bidding is to invite third-party exchanges to participate in a unified real-time auction. Publishers can make more money for their inventory while maintaining some control over and quality by enabling different exchanges to compete with one another. Number 4, a private market. Both private auction and preferred deals fall into this category. A private auction allows a small group of purchasers early access to inventory before it is accessible in an open auction. Preferred deals avoid auctions entirely, while the publishers signing a deal with a single buyer at a fixed price. Both approaches provide more inventory to high-value remarketing purchasers. So get started selling your inventory with Google Ad Manager. Best wishes. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube. and visit our website for quality ebooks, audiobooks, HD video courses, and many more.